Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, we will look at how we can work with the tables. Here is the employees workbook and I'm on the small table worksheet, and this is the table that we created in the previous video. We will use this table to look at how we can add rows and columns, and also a few other things that you could do with a table. First thing, let's see how we can select a row. In the previous videos where when we were working with the data and when we were dealing with that, and we had to select the whole row using a mouse like this. You select a cell and drag it across using your left mouse button. But when it is formatted as a table, you have a very neat little option to select the row. Take your mouse to the very first cell, and when you go to the edge, you can see it converts into a right arrow. Once you see that, click it, and that selects the whole row. The same thing applies to the column as well. Move your mouse all the way to the top here on the header, and you see this down arrow. Once you see that, click it, and then it selects the whole column within the table. Next, inserting a row. Inserting is very simple. All you do is select a row and do insert, and it moves down, and it perfectly maintains the formatting, meaning all the banded rows are maintained as well. Meaning, let's say, let me give a number 4 to this. Let me add, and you can see the 108 is banded with this color. Now when I insert another row, 108, it's now white. So it's always, it maintains automatically, so you don't have to worry about it. Now same is with the columns. Adding a column is simple. Right click and insert, and the column gets inserted. We have seen this before. So when we were looking at adding columns to the spreadsheet. So in this case, what it happens is the column that is being added is part of the table. So anything that goes in gets formatted as well. In order to extend the table, you had the very bottom here, bottom right corner, you have this little dark arrow sort of deal pointing diagonally. Hover your mouse over there and just pull it down, and you have additional rows as well. So that's how you kind of add more rows and columns to your existing table. That's it about this video. I will see you in the next.